Hello students, this is Rudra Singh. Welcome to Trident Physics, where we will learn physics in conceptual and tricky ways. So let's begin.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ट्राइडेंट लर्निंग सेंटर। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अपनी सेकेंड शीट रैंक बूस्टर प्रैक्टिस शीट नंबर 2। ठीक है, इसमें हमें बेसिक डेरिवेटिव की जरूरत है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज y इज इक्वल टू x रेज टू 7/2। we know that or derivative of x raised to n is what? n into x raised to n minus 1. So here just we differentiate with respect to x. ठीक है, so what we get? dy by dx is equals to d by dx of x raised to 7/2. Now we know that formula is what? n into x raised to n minus 1. Therefore is equals to 7/2 into x raised to 7/2 minus 1. That is 7/2 x raised to 5/2. This is our answer. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट सवाल पे जाते हैं। Okay. Now second, also by हम करेंगे by using same formula that x raised to n in derivative of x raised to n is what? n into x raised to n minus 1. तो आंसर क्या बनेगा? dy by dx is equals to minus 3 into x raised to minus 3 minus 1. So answer will be minus 3 into x raised to minus 4. ठीक है, तो इसको हम चाहिए तो ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं। अगर ऑप्शन में ऐसे लिखा हुआ है dy by dx is equal to minus 3 upon x raised to 4. The meaning of both is same. ठीक है, I hope you understand. आगे बढ़ते हैं। The next question is y is equal to x. We have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx of x raised to 1 कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब कौन रहेगा? 1 रहेगा। तो हम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे dy by dx of x raised to n is what? n into x raised to n minus 1. That is 1 into x raised to 1 minus, sorry, one minus 1. So here we get 1 into x raised to 0. That become answer is 1. We know that anything raised to 0 is always what? 1. So next question, y is equal to x raised to 5 plus x cube plus 4 x raised to 1/2 plus 7. अभी यहाँ पे प्लस है सब, तो dy by dx सबको इंडिपेंडेंटली हम अप्लाई करेंगे। So therefore what we get? dy by dx is equals to dy by dx of x raised to 5 plus dy by dx of x cube plus dy by dx of 4x raised to 1/2 plus dy by dx of 7. Here हाँ, एक यहाँ पे हमें फॉर्मूला देखना है कि dy by dx of कांस्टेंट अगर कोई नंबर है तो उसकी डेरिवेटिव हमेशा क्या होती है? 0 होती है। और इनको फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड के लिए हम फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे हमारा dy by dx of x raised to n. तो यहाँ पे हमें आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1 plus 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 plus कांस्टेंट ये टर्म बाहर आ जाएगा 4 into 1/2 into x raised to 1/2 minus 1 plus 0. So this becomes 5 into x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus 2 ones are 2s are 2 into, and this become x raised to minus 1/2. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. Here we also have, we have to apply same formula, that is x raised to n. So dy by dx is equals to d by dx of 5x raised to 4 plus d by dx of 6x raised to 3 by 2 plus d by dx of 9x. तो 5 कांस्टेंट है, बाहर आ जाएगा एंड x रेज टू 4 की डेरिवेटिव बन जाएगी 4x रेज टू 4 माइनस 1 6 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 plus 9 d by dx of x. This becomes 5 into 4x cube plus 2 ones are is 3s are, so plus 9 into x raised to 3 minus 2 upon 2, that is 1 by 2 plus 9. So final answer is what? 20x cube plus 9x raised to 1 by 2 plus 9. This is our final answer. Next question is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. You have to apply same formula. dy by dx is equals to d by dx of ax square plus d by dx of bx plus c. So this becomes what? A into 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 plus b into x की डेरिवेटिव is 1 and constant 0. So final answer become 2a x plus b. The next question is y is equal to 3x raised to 5 minus 3x minus 1 by x. तो इसको हम जस्ट क्या करेंगे 3x raised to 5 minus 3x and इसको हम ऊपर लेके जाकर लिखते हैं, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे x raised to minus 1. Now we apply our same formula, that is x raised to n का n into x raised to n minus 1. So dy by dx is equals to independently पहले लिखते हैं, 3 constant है outside आ जाएगा, d by dx of x raised to 5 minus 3 into d by dx of x minus d by dx of x raised to minus 1. So this becomes what? 3 into 5 x raised to 5 minus 1 plus, sorry, minus 3 into 1 minus this minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 minus 1. So this becomes 15x raised to 4 minus 3 and this become minus minus plus x raised to minus 2. This is our answer. This is a y is equal to root x. तो इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं y is equal to x raised to 1 by 2. Now we can differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to, apply same formula, x raised to n. So 1 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2 into x raised to minus 1 by 2. So answer is what? 1 by 2 root x. चाहे तो आप ये सीधा याद ही कर लो कि ये काफी हमें फिजिक्स में आगे जाके यूज हो सकता है. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स हमेशा क्या होता है? 1/2 रूट एक्स. सीधा याद ही कर लो, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And y is equal to x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 plus 7. So dy by dx is equals to dy by dx of x raised to 5 plus dy by dx of x raised to 4 plus dy by dx of 7. So this becomes what? 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1 plus 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1 plus 0. So this becomes 5 into x raised to 4 plus 4 into x raised to 3 plus 0. This is the final answer. Okay, now y is equal to x square 4x raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 3x square. Here plus same formula, dy by dx is equals to डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 कॉन्स्टेंट बाहर आ जाएगा, डी बाई डी एक्स हम क्या लिखेंगे, एक्स रेस टू माइनस वन बाई टू माइनस 3 इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स रेस टू minus 2. Apply same formula n into x raised to n minus 1. So here we get what, 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 into x raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 into minus 2 into x raised to minus 2 minus 1. So this become 2x, 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2 ones are 2s are, so minus 2 into x raised to minus 1 minus 2 upon 2, which is in power, sorry, x raised to minus 1 minus 2 by 2. Okay. And this become minus minus what, plus, so 6 into x raised to minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So this become 2x minus 2 x raised to minus 3 by 2 plus 6 x raised to minus 3. This is the final answer. Okay. Y is equal to e raised to x into tan x. Now we know that our derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. And here we have to use multiplication formula, that is u and v are one function, so d by dx of u into v is what, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So let e raised to x as a u and tan x as a v. So dy by dx is equal to हम क्या लिखेंगे, e raised to x into d by dx of tan x plus tan x into d by dx of e raised to x. So this become what, e raised to x, derivative of tan x is what, sec square x plus tan x, and derivative of e raised to x what, e raised to x. So final answer is what, e raised to x को चाहिए तो आप कॉमन ले लो, तो e raised to x ब्रैकेट में sec square x plus tan x. This is our final answer. Understand everyone? Thank you very much.